Look at yourself right now. You're not tired, you're addicted to easy pleasure. Phone, scrolling, corn, short videos, repeat. All day you give your brain quick dopamine hits, and then you wonder why you feel weak, distracted, and stuck. You trained your mind to choose comfort instead of growth, and comfort made you soft. You clicked this for a reason. You're tired of losing to the same habits. Every night you say, "last time," and the next day you break your word again. Slowly, you stop trusting yourself. But listen carefully. You don't have a discipline problem. Your brain is overstimulated. If you don't fix it now, next year will look exactly the same. So here's what you do. For 7 days, no mindless scrolling, no porn, no binge watching, no late night phone use. Only work, gym, reading, and quiet time. It will feel boring. Good. Your brain needs boredom to reset. Control what you see. Unfollow accounts that trigger you. Clear your history. Block the sites that pull you back, and make your phone boring. Use your body, lift weights, run, train hard, because unused energy turns into urges. When an urge hits, move fast. Do push-ups, wash your face with cold water, step outside. Urges last 10 to 15 minutes if you don't feed them. And don't let boredom trap you. Always have something to do. A book, a skill, a side hustle, a workout. A busy man has less time for bad habits. Now ask yourself, who are you? The guy who always gives in, or the guy who controls himself? Every action feeds one version of you, so choose wisely. If you're serious about changing, don't just watch and scroll away. Comment, "I'm in," to make a promise to yourself. Like this video so it reaches others who need it. Subscribe for more content like this, and then close this app and take your first step.